Hey everyone, how are you? I hope you are well. I'm also fine. Welcome to Backspace. In this simple step-by-step tutorial, we will learn how to type the Eta Squared symbol in Microsoft Word. The Eta Squared symbol is widely used in statistics, research paper, and data analysis to represent effect size. Many students and researchers struggle to type this symbol correctly in Word. In this video, we will learn survival easy method to quickly insert Eta Squared using Word's built-in tools. So let's get started. Now we can see here assignment. Now I want to add the Eta Squared symbol. Go to the insert menu first. Then click the symbol drop down menu. Choose more symbol. Then select the font type is normal and the subject is Latin. Extended B. Then we can see here many symbol here. Now you find and select the Eta Square. We can see here many symbols. Now I see the Eta Square. We can see here the Eta Square. Then click insert. Then close the window. We can see here the Eta Square. Now I write 2 on our keyboard and select the 2. Go back the home menu. Then make it a square. Now I make the Eta Square easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.